In today's video, we are going to solve problem 17. Press S plus Z plus 0.25 and S plus X plus 3 to scale the solid. Shift plus A and add a cylinder to the scene. Right-click on bar in bottom and split the viewport into two halves. Place the cylinder correctly. Shift plus D to duplicate the cylinder and G plus X to move it along X-axis. Duplicate the first cylinder and scale it to Z-axis. Duplicate it and move it along X-axis. Now create a duplicate of this cuboid solid and press R plus X plus 90 to rotate it 90 degrees along the X-axis. Now let's add Boolean difference modifier from pressing this wrench icon while selecting this solid. In the object, select the elongated cylinder to subtract its area from the rest of the solid. Add Boolean difference modifier for each of the three solids. Now select the 90 degrees rotated solid and go to Edit Mode. Press 2 on keyboard to go to Edge. Select Mode and click on this edge and press G plus Z to move it along the Z-axis. Press Ctrl plus J to join the solid and right-click and shade smooth the whole solid. Now navigate the camera to a good view and bring the light near the solid. Render the image. Congratulations, you have solved this Blender problem. A few other video on Blender problems will come very soon. You can join this channel. Thanks for watching.